The requirements for those that are participating are pretty simple and straightforward. But one of the things is that you need to be able to work on the Web 2.0 technology that you're working with. And so you need to be able to get in and access it and learn about it and to think broadly in how it could possibly be used across various educational settings and those type of things. You also need to be able to get in and start to figure out how a wiki is used and why it is used. And that's kind of a fun thing about this, is because it is just one of those experiences that you get in and you start to contribute. It's very simple to do, but you start to learn how this communication goes back and forth with individuals who are who may be in class with you, but may be in some class that's 2,000 miles away. Participation in the project gives us a number of things that we get from it. Individuals get to look at a problem and get to work on that problem. And the nice thing about that is that this problem, when you come up with a solution, people are going to use it. It's fun for the students to realize that, hey, I'm producing something that actually I can not only be proud of, but other people are going to use and find it helpful in their work as being teachers or other people that are interested in the technologies itself. So those are very important outcomes from the whole thing, what they learn. And finally, the other thing is this idea that they're interchanging with people in a global society. So they're learning how to do it, why you do it, and the direct benefits of it. So along the way, they're learning the skill that it can be done. I can talk with students in Beijing or in Turkey and other things and get their perspective on it, and that actually enhances our project. But also along the way, they're learning some really important skills about how to use this specific Web 2.0 technology, as well as other things that they're learning from them. Not only what they are, but when they should use them and why they should use them. In some cases, it really helps the students to understand that that is not something that I should use in this situation, and they're becoming much smarter in their use of the technologies and how they're integrated. Then there's also the idea of the resource itself. We've created a Wikipedia of Web 2.0 technologies, and that allows people from all over the world to come and to actually use the outcome of this project. And we see that as a great advantage. That students now, and not just students, but other individuals are reporting to us that they're using it, they're accessing it, that they're seeing the value that is there, because it just is a place that they can go and get valuable information and use that, and turn around and use that information very quickly. Finally, the last thing that we really look at is that we also have a showcase at the end of every semester, and where we bring those chapter writers, those teams together at the end of every semester, and they come in and into a single room, and for 2 or 3 hours they discuss these various teams that they've been on and their product that they've been producing. And so we'll have poster presentations and we'll have handouts and those kind of things, and you can walk around in a couple hours and just experience all of the different things that have happened. And it's quite an experience to see that, because these students are very involved in what they've done, and they really want to show you and tell you about the various things that they've accomplished. What's also nice is that many of the groups will bring in their international partners. They will use the YouTube videos that they've created wherever they were in the world. They've also used Skype and other means that they can pull those individuals in, so you can actually have a live feed and you can sit there and talk with the students in Beijing or in Australia or wherever it is, and come to listen to their experience of what happened and what was good and what was challenging and how they overcame those challenges. It's a real learning experience all the way around.